other. Welcome back to JMKing Network, and today I'm gonna tell you guys how do you make your outro from intro maker. I just forgot the theme like that. What? But guys, did you see my new? Did you guys see my brand new thingy? Means that we up to. Did you guys see this? I do not think so. You guys saw. There is, yeah, my new cover banner, YouTube banner. Hashtag learn it easily, guys. Here we just go fun, comedy, and make you guys learn whatever you guys wanna learn. Yes, so let's get started. Open intro maker. You're gonna see the outros. Whichever one you select, you can select any one of these. It is not important to go what I select. It's just your choice. There are not many options, but yes, you can make your outro from here. So I like this one. I'm gonna download this. Now how to use. Oh, yo, this is nothing. If you're gonna wanna see it, you can see that, but right now we do not. So this is what we get. Yes, this is what we get. My sounds pop up. Yes. So go on music. Which one do I want? Let me just go select one, and then I'm gonna be back. So guys, I'm gonna take this pen. Listen to this. Let me just bump up my sounds. Whoa! So this was it. What I'm gonna take, let me just download it and add it. Just click the tick button as this. So I'm gonna just add a few text buttons like yep, right here. Go here. Go. I'm gonna type subscribe. Yep. Oh, Roonies. Just go. I want this one. No, this. Which one is the best? I like this one. I'm just like that. I'm fine with that. No, actually, I want it centered. And now go in design. Go here in text and just small it. Okay. Now you can just put it right wherever you want. I'm just gonna put it right there. Go click done, and here is it. Actually, let me just increase it. Why does it always have a limit like lit? That is not good. E. Whoa. Audio. So you have to subscribe now, and let me just go here and like you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just go here and just delete this. Cause I do not need it now. Go in sticker. I'm gonna go in popular. No, there is none. Picture. Go in subscribe. The subscribe does not work anymore. Like it's like you cannot just see the full subscribe. It's just only subscribe. Great, subscribe. Subscribe is too good. There's no other subscribe buttons. So let me just take this one. This one will work. Just to point it up. Alright, like there. Is she? Oh, is she? That's too big, bro. Yep, right there. Oh. I just, no, yep, good. Done. Now, how does it look like? Oh, bro, you're too early. You are too early, bruh. You're gonna stay there for the whole limit. Let me just go here. You gonna add animation. You, yes, I'm gonna take that one and boom. Let me just now go and text. This have to select and just type in. Ew, what is this? Random video. Guys, I'm back. Just went right there. I have never ever. So let's select this one. I like this font. This one, random video. No, that's too big. Yo, this looks cool. Oh, that's too big. That's good. That's good. Go in text. Size it smallest. Oops. Random video, right? Random video. I think there's something wrong with the font. Yes, it's random vid. So why is it random video? Like, fine. I'm gonna take this one. Then let me just small it. Let me just put it right there. I think it's right there. Oh, if it's not there, then oh, that's not there. Let me just take that off. Put it right here. Gucci's. And then the last text button will be my last video. So it will be my last video. Let me just put this one. No, that one only. That will work fine. Let me just put this one. Not that many. They just there. Yeah, that's best. Middle. Oh no, that's bad. Oh yeah, that's cool. I can handle that. And where is it? From where till where? I ask you, my friend. It just appears here. Let me just go here, add an animation. I forgot to add an animation. I forgot to add an animation. Okay, fine. Oh, wow. Let's keep this one. No, it was this, right? Oh, this. Design only. Make it small and put it right here. Not right there. And yes. So this is my outro. Oh, like no. What happened right there, guys? Okay. Looks like I have to change the animation from there. Yeah, you're gonna fall from up. You guys extended. This is fine. This is good, bro. Let me just add a pop again. Oops, not music. Sound. Transitions, bop. And just add right in there. Yep. And this is. Oh, that's not the correct timing. So that's good. And this is my outro. Now just click the tick button. Tick. It's gonna start exporting. It's just very fast because you're not editing a video. If you edit, it's gonna take years to export. This is just small. No, Apple opportunities, and this is how you make your outro for your YouTube video. And I will see you in the next one. Tata, bye bye, peace.